Cleotrapa, what?
I got this hair from Lakihair.com. It's not an AliExpress store, they have their own website. I got 30 bundles of the Brazilian curly virgin weave with a 4x4 closure. I got two 20-inch bundles, one 22-inch, and the closure was 16 inches. The original color was natural black. It weighed about 100 grams. Like, this hair was pretty dense. And the hairline was pre-plucked, but I still had to pluck it some more. And the hair grade was AA. I'm not sure what that means. I'll talk a bit more about what I love about this hair later in the video, but before I go any further, if you are interested in getting some hair from Lakihair.com, you can use my discount code SOULXgasms for $15 off. This is my first time working with a closure. This is my first time attempting to make a wig. This is my first time wearing a wig. I am also not a fan of black hair, so I decided to change the color. Now, initially I had intended to wear it black, but when this hair arrived and I saw just how black and shiny it was, I was like, nah, I have to change this color. So I bleached it a few times. I bleached it probably around 3 times, and I added this blue color. So like I said, I'll be rocking this wig as a protective style. So what I'm going to do is style my hair under the wig cap in a moisture retention hairstyle. I'm going to do my 2 flat twists. I have a video on that, so I'll link it below. Now the edges of my hair still got a few flyaway blown pieces, so that's why I'm using this edge control with the black dye, so that my edges are jet black and my edges look a lot more seamless when I put on this wig. Keep it stick like Gretzky. Case a bitch try to test me, but I bet she. So the first time I tried on this wig, I felt really uncomfortable, really out of my comfort zone. I did not like how it looked on my head, so we can see how it looks today. I made it with an elastic band to, I guess, kind of secure it more on my head. I didn't make it with any wig clips or anything, just the elastic band. This is so out of my comfort zone, guys. While I'm styling this hair, I'm just going to talk to you a bit about the pros and the cons. Biggest pro being the quality of this hair. This hair is genuine virgin hair. I bleached it multiple times, I washed it multiple times, I manipulated it multiple times, and the curls still remained intact, and the hair remained super soft. When I bleached the closure, it got a bit damaged. I over bleached it, so that's why I had to re-add concealer to the closure. Now to the cons of this hair, and it's just really one con for me personally. Okay, so the shipping to the US was super fast, so if you live in the US, you'll get your hair really quickly, but they don't ship to Barbados, so I had to do like a double shipping. Then the other 2 cons for my personal preference, where the hair was a bit too shiny for me, but once I washed it and manipulated it and stuff, I got a lot of that shine out and the sight of the hair. I personally just don't like the way weave smells, and after I manipulated it and washed it with all my sweet smelling shampoos and conditioners, the weave scent was still there, so that was really something I didn't like. This hair was pretty bone. Once I add water to it, the curls kind of come back. So if you are into extensions and making wigs and closures and stuff like that, I most definitely would recommend this hair to you. It was affordable, quality virgin hair. Plus, with my discount code SOULXgasms, you'll get an additional $15 off. So yeah, hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think I slayed this wig or no.
Cleotrapa, what? Huh?
keep it sick like Gretzky. Case a bitch try to test me,
No.
but I bet she wouldn't ever not. That's too risky. It's Cleo, bitch. Jump on the beat. It's R.I.P.
R.I.P.
Murder it quick. Now we got a yellow tape, the whole CD. I came in this game as all fun and games. Now I'm not playing games.
No.
I want everything. I'm feeling like Debo.
Right.
Give me that chain. They wanna know how I got this nice. It wasn't overnight.
No.
Been doing this. Been getting fly. Been booking flights.